Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be reacting to BTS songs.
Songs as in one song.
Starting with
All around me are familiar faces, worn out.
Huh? What?
Why am I so obnoxious?
Here we go. Yeah. Yeah, man. I really love their outfits whenever they perform Airplane. Jen coming in with the vocals. How did I get soy sauce here too? I like this little thing they do right here.
What did she just say?
Hit it, hey, hey. Seeing that, those eyes get me every time. Damn, oh yeah. He's so smooth. They're so smooth. That was so smooth.
Okay, we get it. They were so smooth. Gosh, get over it.
I gotta watch it over again. So fast. Smooth, smooth. Hey, yeah. I do love Suga. Jen, I love it. I love her so much. Cut those fingers. I really like that. I really do. So overall, I honestly give this a 40 out of 40. And so that's all I have for you guys today. I'm done watching videos. I gotta go make some chicken. Bye.